Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going for a run. So me and Janet have been running every day this week for 1 mile, which is about 16 to 17 minutes a day. We're gonna try to keep this up, but yeah, we're gonna go for a run real quick. Pretty good. It's not too bad. We'll kind of give you some video of what it looks like. Initiate your cell phone so we can do the track log.
We gotta stretch first.
We don't, technically we don't really stretch. This is about it right here. All right, you ready? You gotta track that app. That way people can see it taken care of on Facebook. If you don't Instagram it, it never happened.
Okay, so that's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
We can just go.
3, 2, 1.
All right, let's go. How's that? I'm struggling, dude. Like the longest we ran on that one spot. Straight for that fast. Good job. It's hot. It's hot. Feels like it's drying up before I get to sweat. We're back. Still pretty tired. We did 1 mile. We actually did it 1 minute less than we did the past 2 days, which is weird because I'm actually a lot more tired today than I was yesterday. You just wanted to see what was going on in the camera, or did you want to say something?
Not really.
No? Nothing at all?
No.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
You look like you want to say something.
No.
All right. Yeah, so we did 1 mile. It was pretty good. Feeling pretty good. I feel really hungry after that. I have been trying to eat a little bit healthier than usual. Pretty much, yeah, today I only ate like a hamburger and like half a soda. So it's pretty good. I think the biggest thing right now is just not drinking so much soda and try not to eat so much before bed. That's about it. That might be easier for me though if we do meal prep.
Yeah, that's why I said that. I was gonna do meal preps after the beach, and then you can take your breakfast and your lunch with you to work, come back and have your dinner at home.
So I have breakfast also?
Yeah, there's breakfast too.
What's for breakfast most of the time?
I'm not sure, but there's like oats and stuff.
Oats.
Yogurt.
I can do yogurt. I just feel like I'd be so full, so hungry still.
Oh, you can snack.
Oh, like what kind of snacks?
Like you can have like let's say you have breakfast, okay? And then let's say a couple hours before lunch, you can have one snack. No, I can't open this one. No. No, I can't eat this. I gotta make banana pudding tomorrow. Eating all of my vanilla wafers.
This man rules. Okay, so it looks like I'll be doing meal prep next week, or after next week. Okay, so just a kind of heads up for you guys, I'm gonna be going to the beach this weekend coming up for my birthday. We're gonna be going to the beach from Monday through Wednesday. I will try my best to get videos of the area. I did want to use my camera and my drone, as well as some other things that I got for reviews for my YouTube channel, but I don't know if I'll be able to upload during that week, so I'll do my best and try to get everything out for you guys. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. We got a place in Myrtle Beach. It's right on the ocean front. We're gonna be hanging out with the kids, doing a lot of water slides and whatnot. Hopefully I bring make sure I bring my waterproof camera, my GoPro camera this time we go. That way we can get some pretty good footage.
Daddy, what hotel are we gonna go to?
Hey, you know that the fan is on? It's gonna be really loud in the background.
I forgot about that.
Daddy.
Yes?
What hotel are we going to?
It's called Captain's Quarters.
Ooh.
Wait.
It's fancy.
Does it have a water park?
Yeah, it actually has like a little boat in the front of it.
Ooh.
Yeah, and you can. It's got like a water, like the water park's like a boat, And it's got like water jets and stuff coming out of it.
Oh, just like the submarine in the Twins Village.
Kinda, but I think this one's bigger. We'll see.
Ooh.
You guys saw the last one. We'll see.
I was scared to go on the big side and the little side on the first time. But then
But you did
on
it.
the last day when we were gonna stay there, I decided I'm gonna go on here, and I did.
All right, there we go.
It was fun.
I knew you wanted to say something. Didn't I knew she wanted it. She was waiting for that moment. She wanted to talk about going to the beach. Didn't you?
Yeah.
I knew it. I sensed
I
it.
had to wait for the right
Yeah.
time.
She was waiting for her moment.